How to delete search history on YouTube app. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quick method to clear all your YouTube search history in quick way. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the YouTube app and make sure your YouTube is up to date and then tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see that here are plenty of search that we have done on YouTube. So it's not possible to delete those search by one as it is time consuming. So in order to do in a quick way, you need to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of this YouTube and select the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. And on this page, you need to select your data in YouTube. It might take few seconds to load. Wait until that. And then you have to scroll all the way down. And here you can see YouTube watch history and the recent search history as well. When you scroll down, you need to select manage your YouTube search history option. And once you have done that, select the delete button at the bottom right corner or the top right corner of the screen and then select delete all time. Once you have done that, you need to select the delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select got it as the deletion process has been completed. And when you come back to the search page or the tap on search icon at the top right corner and refresh this page once. So as you can see that there is no any search history on YouTube. So that's how we clear all the YouTube search history at once. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.